Okay, that's nice. Can you read? Catch.
Run, climb, hip, lullaby, sing, swing, drum.
Very good.
Wheel, run, see, walk, climb, stay, horse,
Okay.
lullaby,
Great job.
climb, horse, walk, run, stay, thin, wheel,
Here.
wheel, swing, jump, sing, see, back, turn, climb,
Okay.
fly, boat, car, kite, sandwich, seesaw, slide,
Very good.
swing,
Great job. Next.
shop,
Circus.
sock,
Very good.
jump,
Okay.
man, balloon, paper, what,
Water.
water,
Okay.
fly, squid, man, what,
Very good.
kite, sock,
Circus.
boat,
Very good.
seesaw,
Okay.
car,
Car.
balloon,
Balloon.
slide,
Okay.
paper,
Alright.
jungle,
Jungle.
sandwich,
Okay. Very good. Now let's go with the presentation. Okay. Say I can and I can't. Okay. Let's start here.
I can cut, I can climb, I can fly,
Very good.
I can heal,
Very good.
I can run, I can jump,
Very good.
I can dig,
Well done.
I can ride a bike,
Okay, fantastic. Now, let's start here. You can use I can swim, he can catch a ball, and she can kick a ball. Okay, let's have this.
swim, stay,
Okay, can you say he
he
can?
can stay,
Very good. She,
can throw,
very good. Next.
he can walk,
That's great.
he can sing.
Okay, awesome. Now, can you read about Masha?
Look, what masa si on rasa si kan hiang the si ten klan si stay
Scared. Very good. What about John? Can you read about John?
si is he can run and he can jump but he can throw a ball wow not throw
Next. This. Wow. Okay, what can he do? He. Very good. Okay, now let's proceed to your word conversation. Okay, you are the boy, teacher is the girl. Okay. Okay. No, I can't. Yes, I can. Can you see a tiger? Yes, I can. Okay. No, I can't. Okay, let's proceed here with the pair word. You're the boy and the girl.
They are the crayon.
They're in the blue box.
Where are the ruler?
They're under the yellow paint?
Is next to the pencil.
Oh yes, thank you. Okay, another one.
Where are the pen?
They're in the blue box.
Where are the ruler?
They're under the book. Where is the green paint?
Is next to the pencil.
Oh yes, thank you.